beach just outside Esperance in WA. We are literally right on the beach. Tim is outside cooking some dinner. How's dinner going?
Just watch out, there's an earwig there. So we just got some satay skewers, some brown rice, and we've got veggies inside. Just popped a bit of sour cream in it, just mixing it around, letting it slowly cook. And then yeah, we'll have a beer and a glass of red and watch this epic beachfront here. It's sensational. Have a look at it. Gonna have a fish later tonight as well at night time. So over here too, I've dug in the rotisserie so we can have a fire. Also some lamb. We've got a leg of lamb, boneless leg of lamb from Woolies. So yeah, have a feed and yeah. So we've just come up around the rocks, just from our campsite. Let's check out the rock pools. We're just over to the left, over at that beach. I think this place is called Membinup, and it is, I'd say, easily mine and Cass's #1 spot so far. I think it just edges Rapid Bay out. But this is Membinup, WA. Just around that bend, that point. Yeah, head around there and there's Cape Le Grand. Cass just getting a few photos. What do you reckon, Cass?
I love this place. It's my #1 spot.
There's a lot of islands over there. There's a few people with boats here that have headed across to them islands for the day. Such an awesome spot. Easily our #1. Starvation Bay. Horrible weather, but we're gonna head down and just check the beach out, see what if there's any good fishing spots or not. Mason's Bay around the corner is apparently supposed to be a better beach for fishing, but we'll just have a look. We've got this little track just off the back of our caravan, so just coming through now. Oh wow, the tide's up. Oh yeah?